Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz. Today I'm gonna pick and gut this Abus EC700. It's a 10-pin dimple lock with 2 rows of pins, one on the bottom and 4 pins in the second row on top, where the top row sits exactly opposite the bottom row, and the bottom pins in the closed state overset the top pins. So the challenge is to set the bottom pins and at the same time don't block the overset top pins so that they can pop out, so that they can also be set correctly. Yeah, I've already gutted half of this double Euro cylinder so that gutting is easier for the video. Here's the key, pretty nice bitting, works nicely. And so let's put this thing in a vise and see if we can get it picked. Okay, here we are, back in the vise. Key again, works still nicely. And for tensioning I use this multi-pick tensioner, which fits very nice in the keyway. And before I start picking, I use this standard tensioner to push down the bottom pins so that the top pins are no longer overset. And I give heavy tension on the core before removing it so that the top pins remain loose, or should be binding now. And now I try to set the top pins first. This was the second and the third. Let's see what's going on in the bottom row. Nothing. 1, 2, 3. Top pin number 3. There we have some core movement. Now to the bottom pins. 1 is loose, 2 is binding and set, 3, 4 is heavily binding, 5, 6, and to the front again, 1, 2, and we have some heavy core movement. And probably it's only the first one that needs to be set. It's a spool. So let's see what we can do. And there we go. It's open. Well, that was okay. Now let's see if we can gut it without any damage. First of all, make sure that it doesn't go out of focus. That aside, and the key, we will still need it, and get some stuff for the gutting, pinning tray and some follower stuff, and something for the clip. Yeah, that should be it. The key again. So first of all, let's remove the key, the clip. Should be quite easy on this one. But first of all, let's close it again. Then remove the clip. There we go. And use this follower. Let's see if we can get it without any damage this time. This is actually the second try I do. Let's see. And again I lose something, but maybe it's not so bad. Let's put the core in the core holder first and start with Bible. Let's see what we have already lost. It's not too much. It's only the first driver pins. Let's see how we can do that. And one spring. No, there should be another one. There's the spring. Let's put them aside. And there should be some more pin. One more pin. Yeah, there it is. It's one of the top pins. And another spring. There should be even one more pin. Where is it? Let's see, we will find it. Okay, then it goes on with another spring from the top and a driver pin from the top and a driver pin from the bottom. Another driver and another top driver and another top spring. And some more springs from the bottom. And another driver from the bottom, another driver from the top, and another spring from the top. Nope. And another spring from the bottom. And the last drivers from the bottom. And the last springs, hopefully. So let's arrange the springs here. No. Okay. That's the core. Nothing special about it. I will have a look for this missing spring and pin later. So now for the there's something. There we are. Here's the last pin and another spring from the top. There we go. Now it's complete. Okay, now for the key pins. Starting with the bottom row, this is number 1, this is number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Now for the top row, that's number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, and that's it. So the core, nothing special about it. No counter milling, nothing like that. Yeah, and also the pins are quite normal. There are some spools in chambers 1 and 6, but otherwise it's all normal. And the drivers are tapered, the other drivers, but nothing all too special. I think the only special thing about this lock is that it has those 2 rows of pins opposite to each other, which makes setting and oversetting very difficult, or oversetting very easy and setting very difficult. So sorry for the little gutting disaster, but finally I got it. And so thanks for watching and happy picking, and bye bye.